Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, known as the Missile Man of India, was one of the greatest scientists and leaders the country has ever seen. He was not only an excellent scientist but also a kind-hearted person who inspired millions of people, especially students. His life is a perfect example of how dedication, hard work, and a positive attitude can help anyone achieve great success. Early life and struggles. APJ Abdul Kalam was born on October 15, 1931, in a small town called Rameshwaram in Tamil Nadu, India. His family was not wealthy, and his father, Jainulabdin, was a boat owner. His mother, Ashiyama, was a homemaker. Though they did not have much money, they were rich in values, kindness, and discipline. As a young boy, Kalam was very curious and loved to learn. He was particularly interested in science and mathematics. However, his family faced financial difficulties. So he started working at an early age. He used to sell newspapers to support his family and fund his education. Despite these struggles, he never gave up on his dream of studying and making a difference in the world. Education and passion for science. Kalam was an excellent student. He completed his schooling at Schwartz Higher Secondary School in Ramanathapuram and later joined St. Joseph's College in Tiruchirappalli to study physics. However, his true passion was aeronautical engineering. He pursued this interest at the Madras Institute of Technology, MIT, where he worked hard to achieve his goals. During his time at MIT, he faced many challenges. One day, his professor gave him a difficult project and a strict deadline. Kalam worked day and night to complete the project on time, impressing his professor. This experience taught him the importance of hard work, time management, and dedication. Contributions to India's space and missile programs. After completing his studies, Kalam joined the Defense Research and Development Organization, DRDO, and later moved to the Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO. He played a major role in India's first satellite launch vehicle, SLV-3, which successfully placed the Rohini satellite in orbit in 1980. This was a proud moment for the country. Later, he returned to DRDO and contributed significantly to India's missile development program. Under his leadership, India developed powerful missiles like Agni and Prithvi, earning him the nickname, Missile Man of India. His work helped India become a strong and self-reliant nation in defense technology. The People's President in 2002, Drive. Kalam was elected as the 11th President of India. He was loved by people from all walks of life, especially the youth. Unlike many politicians, he believed in action rather than words. He used to visit schools and colleges to interact with students and inspire them to dream big and work hard. He believed that young minds were the future of the country. As president, he worked for the development of India and encouraged technological advancements. Even after his term ended in 2007, he continued to teach and motivate students. He wrote several books, including Wings of Fire, which is an autobiography that narrates his journey from a small-town boy to a renowned scientist and leader. Life lessons from Dr. Kalam. Drive. Kalam's life teaches us many valuable lessons. 1. Dream big and work hard. He always encouraged people to dream big and work with dedication to achieve their goals. 2. Never give up. Despite financial struggles, he never let difficulties stop him from reaching his goals. 3. Be humble and kind. He remained humble despite his great achievements and always treated people with kindness. 4. Believe in yourself. Confidence and self-belief can help overcome any challenge in life. 5. Give back to society. He dedicated his life to the progress of India and inspiring young minds. His final moments. Even in his last moments, Dr. Kalam was doing what he loved the most, teaching and inspiring students. On July 27, 2015, he was delivering a lecture at the Indian Institute of Management, IIM, Shillong when he collapsed due to a heart attack. He passed away, leaving behind a legacy that will inspire generations to come. Conclusion. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's journey from a small town boy to the President of India is a story of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. His life is proof that no dream is too big if one is determined to achieve it. He continues to inspire millions of people, and his words still echo in our hearts: dream, dream, dream. Dreams transform into thoughts, and thoughts result in action. His legacy reminds us that with strong determination, honesty, and a passion for learning, we can achieve greatness and contribute to making the world a better place. I've written an inspirational story about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam in simple English. Let me know if you'd like any changes or additions.